Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So are you meeting a buyer or seller in person? Choosing a safe pickup location on Facebook Marketplace is essential to protect yourself during local transactions. So in this guide, I'll show you step by step how to set a safe pickup location on Facebook Marketplace in 2026 cleanly, correctly, and like a pro. So first thing first, what setting a safe pickup location means. So setting a safe pickup location allows you to protect your privacy, avoid scams or unsafe situations, meet in monitored public areas, and reduce disputes. Okay, so a safe location builds trust for both sides. So first thing first, choose a public location. So good options include busy shopping centers, police station parking lots, bank areas, well-lit cafes, public transportation hubs. So many police stations offer safe exchange zones. Then open the conversation. So confirm in Messenger. Okay, so let's see. So as you can see, open the conversation with the seller, agree on date and time, share general location. For example, message, let's meet at main entrance of City Mall at 5 p.m. So avoid sharing your exact home address if possible, okay? And tap the plus icon in Messenger. Select location, send live or pinned location, okay? Helps buyer find exact meeting spot, reduces confusion, okay? So share only when necessary, okay? And bring exact item. So prepare for the meeting, bring the exact item, bring change if needed, charge your phone, inform someone you trust, and verify payments method. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.